Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share with you a game changer in my daily routine. The Evoloop 1.7L Electric Kettle. Isn't she a beauty? This kettle not only adds a touch of elegance to my kitchen, but also brings efficiency to a whole new level. With its 1.7-liter capacity, it's perfect for making multiple cups of tea or coffee, or even preparing hot water for cooking. The 1500W heating power means it boils water in just minutes, saving me precious time, especially during those hectic mornings. Safety is a top priority with the Evoloop kettle. It features auto shutoff and boil dry protection, so I never have to worry about it overheating or boiling dry. Plus, the Stay Cool handle ensures safe and easy pouring every time. Made from premium stainless steel, it's BPA-free, ensuring that every cup is pure and free from any unwanted tastes. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable filter and 360-degree rotating base. It's designed with practicality in mind, making my life that much easier. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a stylish, efficient, and safe electric kettle, I highly recommend the Evoloop 1.7L electric kettle. It's truly been a delightful addition to my daily routine.